Friends, welcome to the second part of our dash cam series. Today I will introduce you 4 different dash cam models. Our first model is the iiwey car camera. This device really offers a complete security package. It stands out with its triple recording feature, front, rear and interior camera. All 3 cameras record in 1080p full HD resolution, so you get crystal clear images from every angle. Night driving? No problem at all. Thanks to the night vision feature, you can get clear images even in the dark. It is also very assertive about safety. Thanks to its G sensor, it automatically starts recording in case of sudden movements, and with its motion detection feature, it immediately records if anyone approaches your vehicle while it is parked. A 64GB SD card comes as a gift, which means you can record for many hours without interruption. There's also a loop recording feature, meaning it overwrites the oldest footage. There's also a park and monitor mode, so the camera keeps working even when the car is switched off. Positive comments. 1. Very simple to install and use. Started working immediately. 2. Clear and detailed 1080p images. 3. The infrared night vision feature provides good images even at depth. 4. The features it offers, according to its price, are quite suitable. 5. Thanks to its wide-angle lens, more area can be recorded. Negative comments. 1. Occasional cycle of disconnections in Wi-Fi connection. 2. The recording time limit may be insufficient on long journeys. 3. Depending on road conditions, images may be shaken. 4. Software updates are slow. 5. The user is annoyed by the quick battery drain when the vehicle is switched off. Milerong X25 is next. This model makes front and internal recording. The most striking feature is the 170-degree wide-angle lens. In this way, you can view almost the entire road. It has an infrared night vision feature, so it also performs perfectly in night driving. There are also safety features such as parking monitor, G sensor and motion detection. It records cyclically and probably records in 1080p resolution, but there is no clear information about this. Positive comments. 1. Having both front and internal cameras is a big advantage. 2. The 64GB memory card adds practicality to the package. 3. Menu structure and settings can be done easily. 4. It is quite successful in night shots. 5. Although it is an affordable model, it offers a quality image. Negative comments. 1. Poor customer service support for the product. 2. Occasionally errors occur in the software. 3. The angle of the front camera can be wider. 4. There may be some difficulties during assembly. 5. The quality of the sound recording is lower than expected. In third place is the mini camera from DKK. This model records both front and rear. The front camera has a resolution of 1080p and the rear camera 720p. It uses WDR technology, which ensures a stable and clear image even in different lighting conditions. It offers 2 different mounting options, so you can place it in your vehicle in the most suitable way. There is also a night vision feature. Standard features such as G sensor, loop recording and park and monitor mode are also available. Positive reviews. 1. The picture quality of 1080p pictures is really great. Clear recording from both front and rear cameras. 2. Installation is very simple. I assembled it in a short time and started using it immediately. 3. Thanks to the night vision feature in night shooting, I get clear images even in scope. This is a big plus for me. 4. The 32GB SD card is very practical in the package. I didn't need to buy anything extra. 5. Thanks to its mini size, it does not obstruct the viewing angle. It does not take up space in my car and has a stylish appearance. Negative reviews. 1. Voice recording quality is not very good, especially it is difficult to show internal conversations. 2. From time to time they can get stuck in the software, which negatively affects the usage experience. 3. There is shaking in the images on the road, which makes it difficult to watch. 4. It bothers me that the battery runs out quickly when the vehicle is switched off. It has to be constantly powered by electricity. 5. Although it has a loop recording feature, I think the recording quality will be insufficient on long journeys. Finally, let's come to KINGSLIM and DKK Pro. This camera offers a really high-end resolution, 2000 on the front and 1080p on the back, so you can capture every detail. The most striking feature is Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to control the camera with your smartphone and view the images instantly. It has a small LCD screen, so you can easily adjust the settings and check the images immediately. There's also a G sensor, loop recording, and a parking monitor. Night vision is likely available, but there's no clear information on that. Positive comments: 1. Images in 2000 files are very clear and detailed. 2. It offers the opportunity to share connections instantly with Wi-Fi connection. 3. The ability to record while parked is a great advantage. 4. Automatic deletion of old recordings is a practical feature. 5. It has a modern and stylish structure. Negative comments: 1. When compared with other models, the price is a bit high. 2. Some users may have problems during installation. 3. Overheating problem may occur during prolonged use. 4. Sound recording quality remains where expected. 5. Software updates come in a troublesome way. As a result, each camera has its own strengths. iiwey stands out with its triple camera system, Milerong X25 with its wide angle, DKK mini size and dual mounting option, and KINGSLIM and DKK Pro with its high resolution and Wi-Fi feature. I recommend you to consider your own needs and budget when making your choice. Have a good day and safe driving!